Piggie, let's play catch. Yes, I love playing catch with my friends. I will throw, I will catch. Excuse me, can I play too? Do you not want to play with me? No, we do want to play with you, but we are playing catch with our arms. So, you do not have arms. I do not have arms. Ah! I know I do not have arms. I am a snake. You are like a funny snake, but can a snake play catch? I do not know, but I can try. Cool! I throw the ball. Try to catch it. Here comes the ball. Sorry. It is okay. Let's try again. Okay, I will try again. Now I will try. This is not working. We need a new idea. Yes. Maybe we need more balls. More balls! More balls! We have tried, but I am a snake. A snake you cannot play catch. No. You are our friend. We will all play catch. How? She has an idea. I love playing catch with my friends. Lynch's present Can I Play Too by Mo Williams. Thank you and have a great day. Aubrey as Gerald, Sam as Snake, Kill as Piggie.